A modulated effect alters a sound by applying an affected copy of itself to itself, which can create movement, depth, and shimmer. So it takes an original copy of a sound, in this case, our voice track here, and changes it in some way and then applies that changed version to this original. So a few examples of that are chorus, which creates a thicker sound and wider sound. Tremolo changes the volume movement, so a flickering in depth of volume. And vibrato, which creates a pitch movement. Let's have a listen to each of them in isolation, with and without. So here's our original.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you. I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
You can really hear the width of that chorus. So tremolo, the volume modulation.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you. I wait for you.
So when we increase the depth, we can really feel the effect of that ducking sort of volume. And vibrato, which alters the pitch.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you. I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
Gets pretty crazy when you turn the depth up of that vibrato, but used subtly, vibrato can be really interesting on different instruments, not just the voice, but synths with long, wavering pitches. You definitely want to have a gentle touch when using modulated effects. A little bit goes a long way. Here's a before and after.